The agentic capabilities of Copilot allow us to assign our tedious issues directly to Copilot, like this one about migrating our testing framework, to let it work in the background, and instead focus our attention on more meaningful work, like adding a new game to our classic arcade app. We want to include a snake game in our existing app, which has got existing practices to follow, including coding standards and tests. GitHub Copilot's Agent Mode is built for exactly this. After we make the request to Copilot, we see it explore the project, discover the base class, and open a game already in the arcade, all to learn how to create a new one. It found the main menu where all of our games should be registered, and it looks through the existing testing infrastructure to see how tests should be created. Being a good peer programmer, it gets to work only after learning how to work in the environment. It creates the snake game based on the discovered patterns, including inheriting from the base game class. It then creates the unit tests using the helper file created to streamline the process. Finally, it registers the new game in the main menu with the rest of the games. Now, we all know we shouldn't call an update complete without the unit tests passing, so Copilot runs those using the script our team created for this purpose. After all the tests pass on the first go, it launches the arcade using a different script our team created. The snake game is listed. Let's play. Everything looks good. We have our new game incorporated into our existing application's infrastructure. Copilot worked in our environment following our established practices. But what about that issue I assigned to Copilot to migrate the testing frameworks? This is Copilot Coding Agent, built to work in the background. It started by creating a new branch for its code and a pull request to keep us up to date on its work. We see it generated a full plan of how to tackle the issue it was assigned. We can also view its session to see how it's working. It's behaving a lot like a developer, again, exploring the project, finding resources, and learning how to best generate the code in our environment. Once it's complete, we can see a full report has been generated by Copilot in this pull request. We can explore the files that it's changed and review all of its work. Of course, we want to confirm that everything was done correctly. We want to confirm that the tests do pass. We open the branch up in Codespaces, run the tests, and everything looks good. These agentic capabilities allow Copilot to be a peer programmer, an AI member of the team.